Open up the App Store, type in IC HeadCam, hit search, and you see it pop right up. Hit get. After it downloads, we will then connect it to the camera. Click open. And this is what you should see, and this is what should pop up the first time you go to set up your camera on the app. Click OK. And now it's waiting to recognize the camera. So, power on the camera, hold it down. See it go blue, and then it should turn green. All right, now that it's green, we'll hit the little plus sign up here. Now it should be scanning for the camera. And there you go. Now it comes up, hit connect, click join, and you are now seeing what I'm seeing.